Many people think that they will get rich by joining an alert room, and that they can do nothing but make a few trades a week, whenever the alerts arrive. But instead of a truckload of cash, they ended up with an account that is severely damaged. Why? Because alert-based services don't work. Alert-based services won't work because 1. Alerts are fired off randomly. Impossible to follow if you work full-time. 2. You don't know the plan so can't even prepare. And 3. Most importantly, even if you make some short-term profit, you won't learn anything in the long run. So, does that mean all stock trading rooms don't work? No, not necessarily. An alert room that practices a plan-based system can help you learn and trade better more effectively. A plan-based service works better because 1. Alerts are fired off as expected, much easier to be prepared and execute the trading plan. 2. You know exactly why the trade was taken and what to look for. And 3. Most importantly, you can learn from those trading plans. Here is an example of a trading plan in Pax's trading room. It states the reason to enter, the buy zone, the stop loss, and the profit targets. Shop was at the bottom of its consolidation range, with A plus R&R, looking for a bounce off the support, targeting the top of the range. A daily close below support will be our stop loss. Now, it will be much easier for you to either set alert in your trading platform, or create OCO automated orders even when you have a full-time job. In the end, this particular trading plan was executed perfectly. Shop hit our first profit target of the 40 to 41 area, giving us a 26% profit. If you want to be able to stay in the stock market long term, you need to focus on learning and executing A+ trading plans, not on how to make a few quick bucks. These tips have helped many people. Hopefully, you find them useful as well. To trade with me, visit paxstrading.com.